Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device supports live wallpapers and has at least 10% battery. This avoids interruptions. Next, pick your source. Built-in options are quickest, gallery clips work well, and third-party apps add features. Once chosen, locate or download the file and prefer 1080 x 1920 or 16:9 aspect for best fit. Make sure storage permissions are enabled. Without them, the Wallpaper app can't access your media. Then proceed to the Wallpaper Picker. Now you open the Wallpaper Picker, long press the home screen or go to Settings right arrow Wallpaper and select your live clip. Once loaded, adjust motion settings like speed and loop behavior and enable or reduce parallax to control camera-driven movement. This matters for battery and comfort. Make cropping and scaling tweaks so key content isn't obscured by widgets or icons. Preview both the home and lock screens. Once satisfied, tap Apply and confirm whether to set it for home, lock, or both. Finish by applying the wallpaper and testing its responsiveness. Use it for 5 to 10 minutes to observe battery and performance effects. If the wallpaper remains static, make sure storage and background permissions are granted. Check that the app isn't restricted by battery saver, and confirm the file codec is supported. Conversion to MP4 often fixes codec issues. If problems persist, switch temporarily to a static wallpaper, clear the app cache, or reinstall the Wallpaper app before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.